Namaste, welcome to Shakya Organics Sai Bhavan Kitchen here. Let me walk you through the kitchen facility here. This is our customer area, and first thing I want to tell about is everything we use here, right from mustard till oil till ghee, everything is organic. So we use all this organic oil. This is a cold pressed donut oil and cold pressed coconut oil, and we have cold pressed sesame oil, so which we use for all our production purposes. And here it is our A2 ghee, okay, which we use for making all our sweets and any other item here in this kitchen. Yeah, yeah, and this ghee is made out of curds in the old traditional method. Yeah, and yeah, let me just walk you through the stores that we have. So these are all the organic stock that we have. Yeah, right. And yeah, so these are all the stock that we keep for our production. And yeah, importantly, every day our kitchen's activity starts with the prayer, including all the staff members of our kitchen. We do the prayer for 10 minutes to have the spiritual ambience and right mental attitude when they are cooking, which is very important while making the food. Yeah, yeah. And we believe in these things while cooking. First, with the feel with what we cook. Okay, that is number one. And how that appears to the person who is going to eat that. Visual eating with the vision first. Okay, getting feeling good about what they are going to eat, and then touching with their hand and then eating, and then the actual taste and the ingredients. Okay, this is the principle we strictly follow, and we imbibe this in every act of our cooking. And we keep Gomata as center of our entire organic activity here, right? And this is the dairy product that we use here, whether it be milk or ghee or curds, all that is drawn only from Indian Desi cow, okay, which is actually called Gomata. And this is actually Kamadhenu, picture of Kamadhenu, visualized by an advanced soul during his meditation. And as he was describing, it was drawn by, painted by an artist. And this is what we keep as our center of all our activity, Kamadhenu. Yeah. And here is our organic kitchen. Okay. This kitchen is meant for small sweets production, sweets and small snacks production, wherein frying, small scale frying is required. Yeah, and we have our bigger kitchen here, which is used for yeah. So we do follow the same authentic traditional preparation methods as we do follow in our home. This is no way different from home way of doing any snack or sweets. And in our kitchen, we use only authentic steel vessels or brass vessels or mud vessels. We don't use aluminum particularly, because that gets integrated into the food material that we cook. Okay, so mixie. She's my wife, and she's a nutritionist by qualification, and she defines the quality and the product concept in this kitchen. And following all the, including all the organic ingredients, and following all traditional methods of making sweets and snacks here, we have matured about having more than 30 plus organic products to our credit, and we offer this with a lot of pride to our customers. And here is a set of sample gift box that I wanted to show you. And we have our Amrutaphala coconut burfi, and this is til laddu, and this is dry fruit laddu, and this is foxtail millet laddu, and this is groundnut laddu, and this is our moringa laddu, which is very much a unique signature product. Nowhere in the market is available. And this is karjikaya and our organic kara bundi, and this is our organic kaju pakoda. Yeah, and this is A2 butter murku. Okay, because we call it A2 butter murku because we use only desi cow's butter in this entire process. Yeah, and part of the profit earned in the proceedings of this business is used for serving a midday organic meal to the deserved people. Okay, by doing business with us, the distributors can take the organic midday meal kit, and they can cook in their own hand, and then they can serve the needy people by identifying the real needy people and then serving them with the pure organic meal for them. So this is the ultimate philanthropic benefit that we drive. Thank you.